In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the electric eel deviant in Once Human. So what you have to do is first get yourself a fishing rod, which I have over here, and you will also need some bait. You can craft this at a supplies bench or workstation. It's very easy to do and also very cheap, and you can unlock it inside Memetics. It's also pretty straightforward. Then what you have to do, I would really recommend coming down here to this area, which is called Mayor's Market, okay? And down here you'll be able to fish quite a lot, so that's why I like this area, and you can get the eel by fishing. So what you want to do is go down here, so over here to this area, and then once you're here, as you can see, there's also a bunch of corn. So if you need some corn, you can get it over here. And the reason I'm saying this is because by gathering corn, you can basically turn corn into bait, okay? And if you don't have any bait, you can also talk to this little shop assistant Margie over here, and you can also buy bait for different, as you can see, different energy, okay? You can buy it for energy, you can select however much you want, and that's it. So it doesn't matter which bait you use. I've managed to actually get the electric eel first try with the dowfish bait. However, other people reported using bait working as well, so yeah, doesn't really matter. Just pick one and then walk to the very edge of this little place over here. And by the way, this over here is also where a logging beaver spawn point is. It's not right here right now, however they do spawn here quite frequently, so if you need that, you can get it over here as well. Then what you want to do is simply walk to the edge over here and press your hotkey to equip your fishing rod, and then simply the first thing you'll have to do is of course equip some bait. As you can see, I have done that already. You can press R to do this and simply equip some bait. Let's have the dough bait right now, and then it's going to attach your bait for you, as you can see. Doing it right now. There we go. And then you simply want to throw that into the water somewhere. There we go. And you start fishing. And now it says turn to reel. As you can see, you have to turn to reel. Now, from what I understand, you have to go kind of pan to left to right, but that only happens when you catch a fish. So there we go. Cannot fish here. It says if that happens, simply do it yet again, and there we go. It works. Now you have to wait for the fish to come. They should come quite quickly. They usually do, at least, because there's a bunch. As you can see, there we go. You have to turn to reel, and then, as you can see, still turning to reel, and there we go. Try to get the fish. There we go. As you can see, you then get a fish and you press F to collect, and you just keep on doing this and keep on fishing, and eventually you will be able to get an electric eel yourself. So it doesn't drop in the first try, of course. There's a chance. However, when you do it for a good enough time, you will be able to get the electric eel yourself. You'll simply unlock it. It will pop up on your screen, and that's pretty much it. That's how you get your electric eel deviant in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please help me out as well by subscribing to this channel. And yeah, I'll catch you all in the next one.